Hello everyone, I am Aryan and in previous video we learned about arrays as our first data structure. And today we are going to learn about linked list. So what is a linked list? Imagine it as a string of paper clips or beads, one attached to the next. Each individual piece in this chain is called a node. Now each of these nodes is like a small container with two parts. First, there's the data part. This is where we put the actual information, like the title of the book or a number. Second, there's the pointer or arrow, which tells us where the next node in the chain is. Let's make it even simpler. Think of creating a list of your favorite foods. You write down pizza in one node. You connect it with an arrow to burger in the next node and fries or chips in the other one. This way, you have a chain of your favorite foods, one leading to the next. Now, here's something important to remember. With linked list, you can only go forwards or backwards in the chain. You can't just access any item in the middle like you can with arrays. Knowing about nodes and linked list help us understand how computer organize information. It's important when we want to work with data in computer programs. Now to work with linked list, we refer the first node as head and we point the last node to null. To add a new node to your linked list, you can simply replace the null value with your required node and point that node to a null value. Now if you want to add a new node in first position, you first point that node to head and make that node as the head of your linked list. Make sure the order is important. If you make the first node as head without pointing it to the other node, you will lose the rest of your list. One thing that I want you guys to find out is that how can we add a new node in between our linked list, that is between two nodes. And in next video we are going to talk about stacks.